miserable life, no friends, no family, like that. Carry on. See where this path takes you.
I don't fucking care, Joanne. I said I don't fucking care.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Miserable life, no friends, no family, like that. Carry on. See where this path takes you.
I don't fucking care, Joanne. I said I don't fucking care. You dead fucking cunt.
Excuse me?
Michael, how dare you say that to your auntie?
She's not my fucking auntie. No, it's my family. Okay? I'm fucking have a family.
So you
Why not my fucking family? Why not a fucking family to me? I have anyone else. Fucking idiot. I'm not from fucking Africa. I don't have Africa in me. Fuck off. I'm from fucking Portugal. So fuck off about this African shit.
You always African. You
I don't fucking
got
African.
in your vein.
I don't fucking care about African. You fucking
African,
African. Fucking
pathetic boy.
Don't get fucking Ebola. You fucking cunt.
Oh God.
Ebola, yes, I'll get my Ebola. You are African, you'll never be white.
Don't flaunt your ignorance, Michael. You know nothing about Ebola. Don't flaunt your ignorance.
I know more than you, so shut the fuck up.
Let me tell you, you're wasting our time with this nonsense.
Shut the fuck up.
Whoa.
Oh, Nana.
Why? I said I'm gonna fucking go back. I'm playing fucking outside. If I said I'm coming back, I'm coming back.
It's 10.
I don't care. I'm gonna feel like coming back. Do you see? You work when you feel like working. I come up when I fucking.
Whoa, my viewers, my subscribers, first of all, big up on yourself. Thank you all for the love, for the support, the like, the share, every comments on the video, them my people. One thing I have to say now, alright. So that video my people was sent to me. This is in the UK, you see it? So these color they are African descents. Like from Africa they migrate to UK families and things. This little sin thing I know, yeah, 12-year-old can sin thing. I use this. Alright, you know say last time I covered a story with a little kid, basically from over some part in the Caribbean. And then they demolish the house and the parents they do video it and then send it out. And some basically them send it to somebody and the person put it out and then they start pick up for them. Youth, cause then when the youth mash up the house, then they start this up man like me and other vloggers, you know what I mean, who cover the story and thing. But one thing I gotta say first. We don't have the unruly same thing. We are 12-year-old this. I want to make the video now. If you don't want to send it to somebody, you do reach out there, you do go viral, and I do get it, I cover a story. Yeah, tell us something. You see, based on the footage of me see, and the reaction when me see him react, me I go vlog about it. So whether you don't want to retaliate, and say, wow, a mistake he go out there, him done in action, with him rude and face to self. This is not Jamaica, as I said before, it's in the UK, my people. Basically, he's 12-year-old. Unruly, bad, he mouth facey. No man has to hear the bad word them out of hear anger them, call them all type of sing, cunt, bitch, all type of name. You know what I mean? These are elder people, him aunt and so him I talk to. But basically them I take it for a joke, which I know. So some of them country, my people, you know, you lick pitney, a problem. You know what I mean? I like Jamaica, you know, parents can groom them and put them in on. But him, the way it a continue, my people, if it continues so, you understand, it not long, you know. I can't say that. Number one, basically what them say, man, come in late. Him come in what time him feel like coming, he did it with friends actually and thing. So if him done school, say like, say, 2 o'clock, and we all are coming in 5. And they are trying to talk to him about this situation, what he's doing. Let him know that, yo, you cannot be, you know, you're a child. And he's telling them that he come in whatever time him feel like coming. At the age of 12, he is a grown man. And nobody enough to tell him what to do. Eh? Honestly, he's a grown man. Nobody enough to tell him what to do. Then find your one place though. You're 12. And you got disrespect. Call it bitch. All type of name of people. On a real level. Eh? You see how some of these pitney and unruly. And I go look and say, you're an African this, you're not that. You is what? You is what? You must be Tara or something. But all I can say, my viewers and subscribers, Zine, in this world we are living in right now, my people. And when I hear people that mention and talk about we are in the last days and the final days, this is it. This is it. And we are going to see these things. Even though we know so we have unruly pitney from a long time. But look at this, my people. At the age of 12 for me, I could not talk to none of my aunt them the way. You understand? Which I would never. You know? I would never. But look at this 12. And look how it behaving. And it still did upon phone. While being disrespectful. Did upon him phone. Cat cup in a couch. In a couch, sit down, you know. Zine. And one thing I can say, my people. One thing I can say. This world, my people. It just, you know, it mess up in so much ways. Because I believe, you know, and things say. Having people like this around, you know, even though sometimes you see that, as me tell you, they react this way, the parents do put it out. And when bigger heads do step in, the same parents then start jumping and say, leave them alone, leave this. You understand, it do happen. But I just believe, see, some of them pitney, when them behave so, they need to have some government agents where I got just once this go out there, then can take him and carry him one place, have him for some type of raise of y'all and 2 years until he can find back himself and get himself together. If he can, a long time I'm going to stay there until he can fix. Because I don't believe him for their own natural people in a time like now. We have seen where a lot of kids nowadays, how them are trigger off and how them are behave, my people, and how much things them do. And when they done a year, so them are mine and them are this and them are that. You understand? We have seen recently we are a little 6-year-old go to school with a piece and buy the teacher over in the US. We have seen these things. And when these things do occur, then then you hear say how him reach that, how him that, I would check out the facts and the statistics of that one. His daddy is a member, you know what I mean, of the Navy. So who teach him for bust the piece? A lot of parents sometimes allow them kids, them have them and so them are train them. Oh, when you do this, you can protect yourself. But you don't know what you are doing. When you train these little ones to do these things, you know what I mean, them have brain too. And then comes about you know that you gonna work on Navy and see whatever you do. Him have know where you put it, him know where you store it. Teacher may just talk to him one way about something when and him hungry and he go to school and that's it, bye teacher. You teach him how to do it. So I'm saying, them need this, like this a sin thing, you know, who behave so. No man has nothing to do about it. It needs to be brought into action. It needs something proper that can deal with him, can fix him, you know. And if he was in Jamaica, I for sure know this behaving. Talk to him, to his relatives this way. I'm glad you tell that take it, man. The phone there that split up and they all about the places, you know. But he's in the UK, as I said, a lot of different countries, they have them rules and the regulation, how them do deal with kids and them something that if you come so boom, you know that go. You know, but people, the way how he's reacting and he's behaving, it's really unacceptable. Unacceptable. You understand? Really, him need some real grooming. Him is a 12-month pitney. Pitney. Can't tell boy come in what time you want to come in, boy? When you pull in a one door. When you can maintain yourself and send yourself to school. When you can feed yourself. Then you can call yourself and say, yeah, you're one man, you're a big man. Yes, 12. It's a pitney. Jaja sees Jaja no man. When I saw this thing in other people, I said, no. I have to watch it and say, look, really? And see how the same thing sitting in the couch like he's a big man. So I have to wonder if I one of them, you know, like they look at dwarf sitting from Africa when you have Grand M or one of them. So I have to wonder if I something type like him. But when I hear them disclose the ears and say he's 12, and I look good and I see a pitney. Because I have to wonder if I want dwarf or be yourself as an adult. No, sir. I said this amount where it have my people. It want some G's, it want some Dettol, it want some disinfectant, it want some bleach. You understand, if you cleanse it and clean it out, then I get one toilet plunger and plunge down in there and take out everything we're done there, because maybe it's stuck at the throat part and they want to move. So get one plunger and plunge it down in there so you can take it out. You know, because that day, it well want to clean up, man. It well want a good sanitization and a good makeover in this amount. You know, clean, dirty. 12. 12. So when I saw this thing of people, I said, like, seriously? Really? No, man. Really? And they are the people the most. But when I check it, they're laughing, and maybe this is something when the regular. When the regular, and then you take it for joke. So him continue, and it just in a non-film, it just get worse and worse. Because a lot of these things do happen to people, and I can tell you, when you don't take serious action and they continue, that's it. You know, that's it. You train him to be that way, and that's him. And it's going to be worse and worse, then you're going to find yourself in the bigger of the mess. Just wait. Continue to see where you don't get him fixed. It needs to be fixed. That's all I can say. But people, big up on yourself, and I thank you all for the love, for the support, the like, the share, and every comments. I don't know, say one team of people, one dream, one scheme. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook and to the NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Thank you all, man, for the love and for the support. And I don't know, my people. Blessings and stay safe. Big up on yourself. I'm out. John Noah.